Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will cover Hub Inverter EV Charger wiring. This video was recorded in a closed training environment. Refer to the manual and adhere to your company's safety practices while in the field. To begin, ensure the system is fully de-energized. Turn the inverter on-off switch to the off position and allow DC voltage to bleed down below 50 volts DC before turning off the DC safety switch. Turn off AC power. Land conductors for ground, line 1, and line 2 in the right side of the connection unit of the hub inverter. After opening up the SolarEdge EV Charger, land conductors for line 1, line 2, and ground. Thanks for joining us today. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.